get to a job, no heat. It's really not no heat. It's making a weird noise, they said, a humming noise. So this is a package unit, all in one. Good thing about package units are if the homeowner's not home, you can still work on a unit, even though the thermostat's inside. You just put your red, white, and green together, and that's your heat colors. If I wanted to check the air conditioning, I would not put the white in. I would put the yellow one in with the red and the green. The green's for your fan. Okay. So she said it was making a funny noise when she turned the heat on. Let's give it a second. Just contactors back. There's another one. And you get the just contactors back.